In this tutorial, I will guide you how to cancel your ExitLag subscription. If you found the video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Now you can go to exitlag.com, whether on your PC or mobile device. Now also visit this website to select login to log in into your account that you want to cancel the subscription. So you can just select here your account details and password. Remember me and then log into my account. Now wait for the few seconds for that your account to be logged. Also logging into your client area, you can select here on my account. So also select here on my account, select plan management. And then on the plan management section here, scroll down and then select subscription management. And then we'll see if you want to request cancellation of your plan, click here and follow the steps. So if you want to cancel subscription, just select click here, and then it will take you to this survey or form to fill out the details. And they say, what is the main reason for canceling the service? Maybe you can say the price is too high or maybe other reasons. And then please give us more information. You can explain a little bit and then select request cancellation, and their support team will be able to cancel the subscription for you. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.